Well, hi everybody, it's Jean from Living Skies Vintage, and I'm back again just with a little update on my 2023, which is really only the first time that I've done this, Christmas Memories book. So I had an earlier video, and I kind of showed you where I got started with this, and just to recap, this is an old stationery box that I retrieved from a gift or something. Like, all the insides had already come out. And what I did is I covered it with different scraps of what I would call Christmas paper and Christmas letters that I put on the backing. So this is the stationery. So you can see it folds out like this. That folds out. That folds out. I've got a couple of flaps in here. I intend to, in these, I want to put some Christmas pictures from this year. So I've got a couple that they're going to hide in there. And you can see I've added stickers, and I've added color to this. Another sticker here, and then in this flap I made the recipe envelope and this just has my rewritten Christmas recipes. You know, the stuff that you tend to always make and you've got all over the place, but these are the ones that we like to make at Christmas time. So there you go. No turkey recipes, but all the little baking specialties I've got in there. So that I'm gonna put. So that goes back in that envelope. So we've got the recipes there, and then with the kids, I just thought just as something to flip through. Besides having the photos that'll be in here for next time, they've got this that they can play with. Now, again, these are old Christmas cards that I've glued back to back, accordion style, and then I just open them up like this, and you can see quite the different panorama. And I've added no stickers on this one yet, but glued down different elements and done some painting in the background. I'm gonna give the kids this and let them add some of the same stickers that I've used in the rest of the book, so that they can have fun with that. So that's gonna sit in there for them. And then also, oops, things are falling, sorry. Also for them, put that in there, I have this little flip out area. Now, I had this was loose before, so it's now been glued down. And so we've got this nice cute little fold out, home for the holidays. And then it just keeps getting longer and longer and longer. And this part's glued down. And then if we fold this back up again, go this way. And again, these are Christmas cards that I've just glued together accordion style, put a background on, added more pictures, done some ink and pen and paint and stickers and yeah, all sorts of stuff. But then fold that back up and let's go the other way. I've put some on the back too, so we've got this colorway that they can play with. Now, this is what I'm going to show them that they can do with the stickers that for the other piece that I already showed you that I was going to fold out for them. So it's not quite finished, but it certainly has come a long way from where it was. I've added color and outlining and more glue down things. So it's been a lot of fun. I hope that it inspires you to, maybe do something for your family every Christmas, or even one Christmas, and then just hold on to it. Just hold on to it, and it'll be something that will be part of your family traditions. I know these recipes will come in handy, at least for my daughter. So yeah, eh, I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Season's greetings. Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, however you choose to celebrate the season. I hope that you have the happiest time that you can possibly have. I'm wishing for peace on earth and Happy New Year to you all. And we'll see you again soon. Thanks. Give me a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the new year. Bye, all.